AliExpress is huge. It's one of the largest online marketplaces in the world, offering an incredible variety of products. It's a massive online marketplace that connects buyers and sellers from all corners of the globe. Think of it like a global bazaar, where you can find almost anything you can imagine. You can find almost anything on AliExpress, from everyday essentials to unique, hard-to-find items. From electronics to clothing, it's all there. Whether you're looking for the latest gadgets or trendy apparel, AliExpress has it. Millions of people around the world shop on AliExpress every day. They come for the variety and stay for the great prices. They love the variety and the great prices. The platform offers deals and discounts that are hard to resist. And guess what? This presents a huge opportunity for you. If you're looking to make some extra income, AliExpress has a way. AliExpress has something for everyone. Whether you're into fashion, tech, or home goods, there's a niche for you. Tech gadgets, home goods, or even niche products, AliExpress covers it all. There's a niche for you no matter what your interests are. The platform's extensive range ensures that everyone finds something they love. This is where you come in. By becoming an AliExpress affiliate, you can tap into this massive market and start earning. By becoming an AliExpress affiliate, you can tap into this massive market, promote products, and earn commissions on every sale. You can earn money by promoting products to your audience, share links on social media, write blog posts, or create videos to showcase the products. Affiliate marketing is simple. It's a performance-based marketing strategy where you, as an affiliate, earn a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You recommend products to people through various channels like blogs, social media, or email. When they buy through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. The more they buy, the more you earn. It's like being a digital salesperson, but without the hassle of direct selling. But here's the best part. You don't need to handle inventory, shipping, or customer service. All you do is promote. You find products you love on platforms like AliExpress, Amazon, or other affiliate networks. Then you share your unique affiliate link with your audience through your preferred channels. This link tracks your referrals and sales, providing you with detailed analytics. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you get paid. It's that easy. The potential for earning is limitless. Becoming an AliExpress affiliate is straightforward. First, sign up for the AliExpress affiliate program. It's free and easy to join. Once you're approved, you're in. Now the fun begins. Browse AliExpress and find products that excite you. Think about your audience. What would they be interested in? Choose products that resonate with them. Now, it's time to share. Section 4. Tips and tricks for AliExpress affiliate success. Sharing your affiliate links is key. Use social media, your blog, or email marketing. Get creative. Write reviews, create videos, or share your personal experiences with the products. Honesty is crucial. Be genuine in your recommendations. Don't promote products you don't believe in. Your audience will appreciate your authenticity, and that translates to trust and sales. Section 5. The future is bright, embracing the AliExpress opportunity. The digital age has opened up incredible avenues for growth and success. The world of e-commerce is booming, with more people shopping online than ever before. AliExpress is at the forefront of this revolution, offering a vast array of products and services. By becoming an affiliate, you're joining a winning team that thrives on innovation and collaboration. You're tapping into a global marketplace with limitless potential, reaching customers from all corners of the world. So what are you waiting for? Take action now and seize this incredible opportunity. Sign up, find your niche, and start sharing your passion with a global audience. The world of AliExpress affiliate marketing awaits you. Dive in and watch your efforts turn into success.